Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a slider in WordPress website using AI. Let me show you an example of the slider that I have created using AI. And it took me less than 2 minutes to create this entire slider. You just need to enter the business or the topic for which you are going to create a slider, and it will generate a slider for you. The plugin that I'm going to use is a Depicter. This plugin has free as well as a premium version. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how you can create a slider in WordPress website using the free and the premium Depicter plugin. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WordPress website. I have already installed the Depicter plugin on this WordPress website, and I have also activated the Pro plugin. When you install this plugin, in the left hand panel you will see the option Depicter. You can simply go to dashboard, and in the top right hand corner you will see the option to log in to your Depicter account. So in order to activate the Pro plugin, you will need to log in to your Depicter account. Once you log into your Depicter account, you can activate the Pro Depicter plugin for your WordPress website. And once you activate the Pro plugin, you will be able to use pop-up, slider, AI slider, notification bar, carousel, hero section. If you are running a WooCommerce website, you can also create WooCommerce product slider and a blog post slider. There are hundreds of pre-designed templates which you can use to create pop-ups and sliders. In this video, we are going to create slider using the AI feature. So on the dashboard, you will see the option here, AI slider. Let's click on it. Here you will see a video tutorial how to use the AI slider feature. I'm going to click on start. Now here you will see the option, please choose one of the following categories. You will see business, news and media, lifestyle and fashion, education, sports and fitness, travel, food and cooking, entertainment and music. So these are categories. If you do not see your category, you can click on other. I'm going to select business and click on next. Now website subject. Here you need to enter the subject for which you are creating the slider. I'm going to enter the subject, let's say digital marketing agency for SEO, website design, e-commerce website. And below that you will see specify slide numbers. How many slides do you want in the slider? So I'm going to select 3 and click next. Now it is finding related keywords for the slider. All right, so you can select the related keyword. I'm going to select this one and this one. Once you select the related keywords, click on next. Now it is generating your slider content. All right, so now you will see some stock photos which you can use. I'm going to select this one, and in the right hand side you will see the heading which it is going to use on the slider, subheading and the content. Now you can change the heading, subheading and the content. I'm going to keep it as it is. So the heading for the SEO slider will be boost your online presence, subheading will be SEO services, and this is the content. Below that you will see a button get started. So I'm going to keep it as it is. Click on next slide. So that was for the first slide. Now we are moving to the next slide, that will be for website design. Again, you can select one of the stock photos. Let's select this one. And this is the heading, subheading and content. This is the button label. All right, let's click on next slide. That will be the third slide for e-commerce. All right, so here you will see some stock photos. You can select any one of these photos, and later if you want you can also replace these photos. All right, I'm going to select this one. This is the heading, subheading and content. Below that we have the button shop now. Click on next. Now we have created 3 slides. On the next step you will see please choose one of the layouts and color styles. You will see different layouts and color styles you can change. If you want to change colors, you can select different colors. This is how it is going to look. Let's try this one. And from the templates, I'm going to select one of the templates. This one looks good. Again, this one also looks good. There are multiple templates to select from. All right, I'm going to select this one. Select it and click on next. Now it is creating the slider. Alright, so it says congratulations, slider has been successfully created. Click on preview slider. This is how the slider will look. This is the first slide. This is the second one. And this is the next one. So we have got 3 slides here. Here you will see the button shop now. Then we have view portfolio. And this is another button, get started. Alright, let's close it and click on open in editor. Alright, let's close it. And now it will open the slider in editor. If you want to change any one of these elements, you can simply click on it and change the element. For example, if you want to change the image, you can simply click on it and upload another image. You can replace this image with your own image. Here we have the title, subheading and the content. Again, you can change the subheading and content. This is the background. You can change the background color also. Let's try this one. Right, so for this slide, we are going to change the background color. This is the image. If you want to make changes to the image, you can also make changes. You can also add border. You can also add border radius. And this is how it will look. If I click here, you will see the border radius around this image. All right, so this is the first slide. Let's go to next slide. Here again, you can change the background color or you can change the element. Let's go to the next one. Select the slider, select the background and change the color. Once you are done with the changes, you can click on publish and click on preview. This is how it will look. This is the slide. All right, let's close it. Now here at the top, you will see options. If you want to change the basic settings of the slider, you can change it from here. These are the general settings. And we have navigation. This is nothing but the navigation and slide transition. You can change the slide transition also. Let's see how does this look on the mobile. This is how it will look on the mobile devices. Again, you can change the settings for the mobile devices. Let's click on publish. And this is the shortcode which you can use on any page. So I'm going to copy this shortcode. Let's go to demo page. I have one demo page here. And on this demo website, I'm using Elementor. So I'm going to click on plus sign and add a new section here. Let's make it full width, no margin, no padding. Click on plus sign and look for shortcode. Drag it and drop it here and enter the shortcode. And you will see the slider. If you're using any other page builder on your website, you just need to add the shortcode on the page. Let's click on publish. Let's view the page. And this is how it will look. So this is the slider. So it is very easy to create a slider in your WordPress website using the AI feature in Depicter plugin. Again, you can create a slider manually or you can use pre-designed templates which are available for the pro version. If you want to know how to create a slider using the free Depicter plugin, you can watch this video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.